Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of Python, and I'm going to show you something super cool called variables. Think of variables as little boxes where you can store just about anything you want. Let's get started. Imagine you have a toy box at home. This box is where you keep your favorite toys safe, right? In Python, a variable acts just like this toy box. But instead of toys, you can store numbers, words, or even lists. Let's say you have a toy car. We'll call your toy box car _box. Now, whenever you want to play with your toy car, you just say, I want to play with what's in the car _box. And voila, you get your toy car. Here's how you do it in Python car _box =, toy car hash. This is like putting your toy car in the toy box. Print car box hash. This is like saying, I want to play with what's in the car _box. When you run this code, Python will show you toy car because that's what you put in your car _box. Now, let's add another toy to our collection. Maybe a ball? We can have another box for that. We'll call it ball _box. Python ball _box =, ball print ball box. Just like that, you can keep adding more boxes for all your toys. It's super easy and super fun. But hey, variables aren't just for toys. They can be super useful in real life too. Let's say you want to keep track of how many steps you take. You could have a variable called step _counter. Python step _counter =, =0 step _counter =, step _counter +1 hash. Imagine you just took a step and you're adding it to your counter. Print step counter hash. This will show you how many steps you've taken. Every time you take a step, you add 1 to your step _counter. It's a great way to keep track of things without losing count. So, in Python, variables are these awesome little boxes where you can store and remember things so you can use them later in your code. They make coding a lot easier and a lot more organized. Think of them as your little helpers, holding onto your data until you need it. And that's it for today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try creating your own variables and see what you can build with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.